Hi, this is Christian Fouts with Core Real Estate Properties, and this is your Core Real Estate Minute. And today I'm going to talk about 5 ways that holding on to vacant land could really be costing you a lot of money. Most people, they buy land, they're buying it for appreciation. They're thinking that development's going to come there, people are going to want to buy it to build houses. However, they don't realize the costs that are associated with owning vacant land. The first one is annual taxes. You're going to have annual taxes that you have to pay, and really depending on where your location, the size of your lot, it could vary from a few $100s to a few $1,000s. The second thing is, if you buy a lot within a homeowners association, you have monthly HOA dues that you have to pay, so you need to consider that. The third thing is, if you're buying property in a rural area, which may be on well and septic, the county or the city may be having impact fees that are going to be assessed on your lot as they're bringing city water and city sewer out there. So you need to consider that. We're seeing that here in Southwest Florida a lot, in Cape Coral and also in Lehigh Acres, and they could be in the several thousands of dollars of impact fees. So you need to be aware of that. The other thing is, there's not really many tax benefits of owning vacant land. You can't homestead it like a house. There's no depreciation that you can take on that. So that's something that you need to consider. And the last thing is cash flow. You really can't generate cash flow from a vacant lot unless you own something agricultural where you can lease out to a farmer or if somebody's putting livestock on it. But in most city areas, you're not able to have that. And you've got to maintain the lot. Somebody needs to make sure that it's mowed, nobody's dumping stuff on it. Otherwise, you can have code violations. So please feel free to visit us for a complimentary analysis at corerealestateproperties.com. Thank you.